What's up guys, it's Brian ESR and we're here in Metuchen, New Jersey at Luigi's Ice Cream for our first ever First We Eat car meet. If you've never caught an episode of First We Eat, it's a series where Fast Guy Racing does what he does best, eats and asks a lot of questions to racers in our industry. Make sure you check it out on our YouTube channel. But more importantly, today we invited a bunch of our friends and we're hanging out at Luigi's Ice Cream and doing something that we love to do besides racing, and that's eating. This is the first time that we're ever doing something like this, so if you guys think that we should host more of these and invite more people, let us know in a comment, and maybe we'll do this more often.